Hello everyone, I am Savitri Nagra, lecturer in Electrical and Electronics Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. In this lecture, we are going to study Unit 3, Electrical Machines and Protective Devices. In that, generators. Contents, definition, working principle, types of generator, and applications of generator. Generator. First we'll know what is meant by generator, which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. There are two types of generators and they are AC generator and DC generator. AC generator. AC generator is also called as an alternator. It is an electrical machine which converts mechanical energy into alternating current electrical energy. It is an alternating current generator. So, it is usually called as alternator. This is the diagram of AC generator. First, we'll know what is the working principle of generator. Whenever a conductor or a coil cuts the magnetic flux, an EMF is induced in that conductor. The magnitude of EMF induced in the conductor or a coil is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux and the number of conductors. This is N pole and this is S pole. In between there is a coil which is rotating, and this is the carbon brushes and slip rings. This is how AC generator works. DC generator. First we'll know what is meant by DC generator. It is an electromagnetic machine which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It is dynamic machine which generates direct current energy. DC generator works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. That is, whenever the flux linking with the conductor changes, an EMF is induced in the conductor. The magnitude of EMF induced is equal to the rate of change of flux linking with the conductor. This is the diagram of DC generator. Construction details of DC generator. It mainly consists of stator, rotor, pole shoe, shaft, yoke or frame, commutator segments, armature conductors, field windings. These are the construction details of DC generator. We'll know how this stator on which field poles and field windings are placed. When DC supply is given to it, it produces magnetic flux around the armature. Second point is the rotor on which the armature winding and commutator are placed. When the rotor rotates, armature windings placed on the armature cut the field flux and get the EMF induced in them. The voltage induced here is AC. This is converted to DC by means of commutator connected to armature windings. This DC voltage is collected by a brushing against the commutator segments and is supplied to the external circuit. And the DC generator works on the Fleming's right hand rule. This is a Fleming's right hand rule diagram. Here thumb, forefinger and middle finger are perpendicularly placed each other. Here the thumb indicates the motion or a force of the conductor and the forefinger indicates magnetic field and the middle finger indicates armature and in which induced current is produced. Types of DC generator. DC generator is mainly classified as separately excited generator and self-excited generator. And self-excited generator is further divided into series generator, shunt generator and compound generator. And the compound generator is further divided into two types: cumulative compound generator and differential compound generator. Applications of DC generator. DC shunt generator is used for such applications where constant voltage is required. DC generator is used for charging batteries. DC generator is used for series lighting and the AC generator is used in power generating stations. Important questions asked: define generator or its types. Write the types of DC generator. Overall, in this lecture, we have studied generators, its types, and the working of generator. Thank you.